In today's video, we are going to be replacing the window belt molding on a Toyota RAV4 for the years 2006 to 2012. We are going to be doing the front and back. Now you see this panel right here. You want to start from that panel. That's the back of the front door, because the front of the weather strip will slide under the mirror assembly. Now for another important tip, you should be using a plastic trim removal with some tape, so that way you can protect the paint on the car. Don't do it like the way I'm doing it with just a flat-headed screwdriver and without any kind of protections, otherwise you could damage the paint. This part is held in place by a clip. Once you remove it, all you have to do is keep pulling. This is the clip on the weather stripping that most likely will break on you. So let's go ahead and remove it. Now you see this fine edge right here that will go inside the new weather molding. So now when reinstalling the new window belt molding or weather stripping, whatever you want to call it, make sure that you first slide the part that goes under the mirror, and then we will do the rest. Basically all we have to do after sliding that part in is just press. We're going to make sure that we place that clip first, and then we continue from there. All you have to do is keep pushing down. And just like that, we replace the front weather stripping. Now we are going to go for the back. And the process for this is really similar to the one that we just did at the front. And make sure that you use some plastic removal trim, not a flat-headed screwdriver. And regardless of what you are using to remove it, make sure that you put some tape, so that way we can protect the paint. Now after removing the weather strip, make sure that you remove this plastic clip. Same thing as the first one, it did broke, so go ahead and remove it. Depending on how dirty this is, I would recommend that you use a rag and clean it real good. And as you can see, once that clip gets in, all you have to do is keep pushing down for the rest of the weather stripping, and you should be good to go. This is a simple car repair that you can do at home and avoid the paying for labor. If you like doing your own car maintenance, I would suggest that you subscribe to this channel, so that way you can find my video quick and easy. I hope I was able to help you and save you some money. If that was the case, make sure you like and comment. See you in the next one.